Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a free fidget spinner giveaway to whoever wants a free fidget spinner. I have a lot of them and I need to get some away. We have this light up fidget spinner here. It's an American. There's a fire fidget spinner. I'll spin them for you to tell you they're good. Here's this one. It's worth $20. It's super good. There's this suckish one. It's not very good, but it works. And this one you don't want. This one, kind of shaky, but it's still pretty good. I like that one. This one, it's good. It's good. This is my favorite one. Another American fidget spinner. There's this dude. Pretty good fidget spinner. Then there's this one. It's I don't know. It's pretty good. And then if you want these bearings for like a die fidget spinner, there's 3 right here. You can have them. Just comment and subscribe. Comment your address and and what city you live in and stuff. That's all I need. So let's spin the fidget spinners for y'all. Here's this one you saw. Good. One fidget spinner. Here's this one. You don't want it, but I'm just gonna spin it. Not very good. This one I told you was shaky. I like this one too. It's just like a Porygon. Oh shoot. Here it is. Just lost the cap. Anyways, we've got one extra cap if you want it. This one's just smooth. Perfectly smooth. This one, blue one. What battery? Good. Here's one I told you was not very good. Trash. Here's my favorite one. Super fast. The light up fidget spinner. Let me go turn off the lights real quick. Alright, here's the light up fidget spinner. Let me focus. Well, you can't really see it because it's dark, but it's got different modes. I don't know. Let me just go to the plain modes. Yep. That is the light up fidget spinner. This one's my favorite, but it's like a different type of fidget spinner. I used to have a Bluetooth fidget spinner, but it broke. This fidget spinner here, yellow one. The fire one's super smooth and it's super good. Just feels awesome on the finger pads, like imprinted. Here are my 2 American ones. I don't even remember. This is the good one, but I'm gonna save it for last. Here's this one, and my favorite one of all. So let's put the fidget spinners back. Oh shoot, I forgot to spin the bearings. That didn't work. Hope you enjoyed my video. Just comment, subscribe, and turn on my notifications for more videos. And comment your address. That's all I need, and I'll send you the fidget spinner you want. Just tell me which fidget spinner you want. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed my video. Peace out. Dab on.